Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can track your money in the Ria Money Transfer. First, you have to go to your browser and here you have to search for Ria tracking. Now you can see here the link. Simply click on that link. Here you can log into your account and after that this tracker transfer will appear. Here you have to enter the PIN or order number. You can get this number from your sender. So just you have to open that and here you have to write the number. Here you can apply the PIN or order number that your sender has given. So simply you have to apply and you have to click on continue here. Now here you can see all your transfer detail. Here you can see your order number, your transfer status, you can see that. And similarly here you can see that when the transfer has been created and is in transition, and you can see here the transfer received by the partner date. Basically after writing your PIN or order number, you can see here all your transfer detail in this form. You can use this method to track your transfers. And in some case, if you are not able to do so, you can go and you can connect their supports and they are willing to help. So you can take their help. And if we talk about understanding the transfer status, in progress means that transaction is being processed by Ria. Sent means that funds have been released and sent to the receiving country. Ready for pickup means that the funds are now available at the selected cash pickup location. Deposit means that your money has been deposited into the bank account. And if we talk about the common delays and what caused them. Let's first talk about bank holidays or weekends. In either sending or receiving, you can face a delay due to the bank holidays or weekends. Incorrect recipient bank and bank information. So make sure to put right information. Verification requirement: if extra ID document are sent, unusual transfer amount may trigger security reviews. And here if we talk about the security and fraud protection, Ria will never ask for your PIN or password via email or phone. Always share the PIN only with the trusted recipient. If you suspect any fraud, then you can connect Ria support immediately. So now let's talk about global transfer time. In some country for bank deposit, it takes mostly 1 or 2 business days. And if you talk about the cash pickup, it's instant, and in some countries it may take some minutes and some hours. And that was basically all about how you can track your money in Ria Money Transfer. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.